Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento. So today we are going to learn how to create reviews programmatically in Magento 2. So let's see how we are going to do that. Before that, those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the code. Okay, so here we have a product ID, customer nickname, review title, review details, store ID, title. Okay, so these parameters required to generate the rating into your admin panel. Okay, so next we have the product ID. We are going to set the status, title, detail, entity, store ID, store, customer ID. So here we have a difference of the customer ID. Customer ID for the guest user, you need to just pass the null. If you have the customer ID, then you need to pass the 1, 2, 3, whatever over here, right? So this is the basic scenario. If I bypass the here null, that means that rating would be added as a guest. So let's see how it looks like in the admin panel. So this is the full-fledged code. Currently I am just setting that status to be the pending state. I'm not adding the review rating like for the price, value, and this will I will teach you in the next video. For now I'm just creating the review rating to that product. The product ID is 1, and now I'm going to change the product ID to be 2. Okay, so let's see how it works. So the data is saved right now. Now I'm going to hit that one, this one, save. Okay, here I'm going to add, if everything is done, echo, so that we will get to know about that. Echo ratings has been saved successfully. Okay, so we have done this. Okay, so let's run this part, and here we go with this one. If I go and reload this one API, this is my, we have created a controller and just adding the code over here. Reload. The rating has been saved successfully. Let's see, it's to be in pending state, right? So let's go to the reviews, marketing, no, reports, products. Okay, so currently we have reviewed for the product 2, so it's test 2. Show reviews. So we have this one, rating, test rating. Okay, edit this one. So now I'm going to make it like approved. Save this review. Okay, if I go and check this one, test product, it is test 2, I guess, right? So here we have the review, that is test rating. Okay, so you can see that this data is over here. So this is how we are able, but you can, one more thing which is left, that is called the demo. So here you can see that it's a guest. If I go and add for the customers, let's have a look of the customer also. So here we go with the customers, all customers, let's put it 1. Okay, so here we are going to put the 1 over here. The customer ID is to be 1 for this rating. Good rating, test rating is replaced by good rating. Here we can mention good rating, right? So I'm going to copy and add for the logged in user. You can also make it this one. Save this. I'm going to run this here. Localhost. This is done. Go to reviews, products. So here we have the ratings for this. Show reviews. No, we have for the uh, test 2, right? So here we have good rating, but here you can see that the type is customer. Okay, if I go and check this one, so you can see that product is also, the author is also there, right? Because it's already, the customer ID exists, so the look is that one. Okay, so this is how you are able to put a review on as a guest also, as a customer also, like this way. So in the coming video, we are going to merge with the ratings. So how we are going to make a rating on like price, product, value. So on the behalf of the parameters, we are going to rate the product. So let's see in the coming video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.